So, hello friends, how are you doing all? I hope everyone will be doing good. And guys, welcome to you all in my another blog video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my past. And yesterday night had gone very bad. So, let's talk about it. Actually, yesterday evening, one of my friend he came to my room, and after a long time we met. So we had talked a lot about our childhood, and he was also my one of childhood friend, so that's why we talk a lot. So while talking, it was time to dinner. So we had dinner. After dinner we went to the bed and we started watching a movie together. So meanwhile my friend about was about to start sleep and sleeping, and you know it's happened with every person, and many friends had doing like this. While watching, they started sleeping. So he also started sleep. He was also started sleep. Then I thought, why not sleep as well? Then I kept my phone beside me, and I was just about to sleep, but suddenly my friend started snoring. Started snoring, so then I feel bad. Oh my god, my night will be bad, as I can see. So when he started snoring, so I'm not feeling well, and I was about to sleep, but when somebody is snoring next to you, so you can't sleep. So it happened to me, and I don't like a snoring person when somebody is snoring beside me and very badly. So I'm not feel well. Then I decided, so what should I do now? And then I wondering that what to do now. So things which we have to do that time if happen like this. So because most of the people doing like this, and they're trying to sleep, but is it not possible? And in this condition, your night might be ruined, and you stay awake all night. So for that you have to do something and try to put on the earplug. This is the way, so which you can follow. And friend, you tell me it's happened to you or not, in your future, in your past. Like this, it happened to you, and what would you do that time if happened to you? So please let me know on comment section.